Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own Play-Doh. So Play-Doh is super easy to make and is a really good way that you can give your kids something to do whilst we're all stuck inside with coronavirus and our house arrest. So I'm going to show you how to make it with simple ingredients that you should have in your cupboards at home, and also how you can use natural things for food colouring rather than those plastic little food colourings that you get. So I'm going to demonstrate that now for you. So to make the Play-Doh today, I'm going to be making a yellow using turmeric. So turmeric's used in curries and you'll quite often have this in your cupboard, so that makes quite a strong yellow. Then cocoa powder. So cocoa powder makes a nice brownish colour, which is quite good for skin tones. And then I'm also using curry powder. So this one actually makes quite a good orangey colour. Other things that you can use, if you've got spinach or other leafy veg, you can use that to create a green. I'd also recommend using blueberries if you have any. They make a nice purple, not blue as you might expect. And then also if you've got any beetroot's really good for a natural red food colouring. So to make the Play-Doh, what you do is, so I've put in 4 tablespoons of flour here. Then you add a tablespoon of salt. So I'm just going to pop that in there now. And what that does is it makes it sort of antibacterial when your kids are using, and also makes it last for longer. So I just mix that in there, and now I'm going to make the yellow one first. So I pop the turmeric in with the flour and salt to start with, and then I'll just mix it up. And now what I do is put a tablespoon of oil in. There it goes. Mix that around, and then you put in 25 ml of water. So with the water, I tend to put it in slowly to see how it's going, so you don't put too much water in. So once you've mixed it together, you can roll it about in your hand, make sure it's all good, and there you go. There is yellow Play-Doh. So if it's a bit too sticky, then you can just roll it with a bit more flour, and that will keep it sort of a nice consistency. This, I'd say, is still a bit too sticky, so I'm just gonna roll it out with some flour, and then it should not stick to my hands anymore. Now I've made the yellow one, I'm going to go ahead and make the other two too. So there you go, these are the 3 colours that I have made. So this one is much more orangey, but you can make it stronger colour if you put in more chili powder, then it will be more orange. And the same for all the others. Apart from turmeric, you don't need that much and it will be quite a bright colour. What I'm going to do now is make some not very creative creations. But I would love to see what you guys can design or your kids using homemade Play-Doh. So make sure you tag us in any of the videos that you do making your own Play-Doh. Once you've finished playing, then you can just pop it in your fridge and it'll last for about 2 weeks because of the salt that's in there. So just put it in a beeswax wrap or in an airtight container, and yeah, endless fun. I really hope that you guys are better at Play-Doh than I am. But yeah, I'd love to see what you guys can do.